In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall GPU drivers here on your PC or laptop. Before you get into this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's actually 3 different ways that you can uninstall your graphics drivers. I'm going to walk you through all 3 methods so you could use whichever one works for you. But essentially, and this is in my opinion one of the fastest ways to do this, just go down to the search bar and go ahead and type in control panel and hit enter to open it up. Once you're here, go up to category and change it to large icons to take you to a page that looks like this. And what you're going to want to do is scroll down on this page until you see an option for programs and features. So go ahead and select programs and features. And in here, you're now going to want to scroll down until you find your graphics driver. For example, I have NVIDIA, but you might have AMD. So scroll down on here and look for either of those options for you. And once you do see your specifically graphics driver right here, right click on it, hit uninstall and change, and then follow the prompts to remove the driver from your system. Now the second method is even faster. Essentially just tap in add or remove programs and open it up. And once you are in here, just either use the search bar or scroll down until you see something like NVIDIA again and find your graphics driver, right click on it or select the 3 dots and then hit uninstall and follow the prompts on screen to remove it. And the final method is through your device manager. So go ahead and select on the Windows icon and then go ahead and select device manager in here. If you don't see it, just search for it just like so and open it up. Once you're on this page, you're once again going to want to scroll down until you see the specific option for display adapters. Open it up, find your graphics card in here, right click on it, and then you're going to see an option to uninstall device, confirm the action, and Windows will remove the driver. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.